Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious Jeera biscuits at home in your oven. Get ready to fill your kitchen with an amazing aroma. We'll start by gathering our simple ingredients. You'll need about 1 cup of all-purpose flour, half a cup of unsalted butter, a 1/4 cup of powdered sugar, and 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's get our hands a little messy. First, cream the softened butter and powdered sugar together until the mixture is light and fluffy. This step is crucial for a tender biscuit. Next, gently fold in the all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds, and a small pinch of salt. Mix until a soft dough forms, then wrap it and chill for at least 30 minutes. It's time to bring our biscuits to life. On a lightly floured surface, roll out your chilled dough to an even thickness of about 1/4 inch. Use your favorite cookie cutter to create uniform shapes. Arrange them on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Bake in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 to 18 minutes until golden brown. The aroma is incredible, isn't it? Once your Jeera biscuits are beautifully golden, carefully remove them from the oven. Let them cool completely on a wire rack. This is essential for achieving that perfect crisp texture. Store your cooled biscuits in an airtight container and they will stay fresh for up to 1 week. Enjoy these delightful, savory treats with your evening tea.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.